If an organization decides to purchase a training program from a consultant or vendor rather than build the program in-house, it's important to choose a high-quality provider. Training providers may include individual consultants, consulting firms, companies that specialize in training programs, or academic institutions. How could you identify a vendor for training services? Personal networks, professional associations, conferences, and trade shows are frequently used by persons in charge of company training, like chief learning officers. The most important qualities for vendors include providing a high quality product with positive results, providing a good value for the cost, and being easy to work with. It's important for the vendor to try to understand the business issues and deliver high quality products and services to resolve them. Good vendors have to ask the right questions and listen to your answers, customize and deliver learning as expected, on time, and within budget. A common criticism of vendors is they try to provide an existing learning solution rather than provide a customized product to fit an organization's needs. Many companies identify vendors and consultants who provide training services by using a request for proposal known as an RFP, which is a document that outlines the potential vendors and consultants, the type of service the company is seeking, the type and number of references needed, the number of employees needing to be trained, funding for the project, the follow-up process used to determine satisfaction and service levels, the expected date of completion of the project, and the date when proposals must be received by the company. It also describes scoring criteria that will be used to evaluate the proposal. The RFP may be mailed to potential consultants and vendors or posted on a company website. Usually, the RFP helps identify several vendors who meet the criteria. The next step is to choose the preferred provider. The consultant's experience should be evaluated. Managers should carefully consider the services, materials, and fees outlined in the consulting contract. If the company wants to use the consultant's materials for training at a later date, it would have to pay additional fees to the consultant. When using a consultant or other outside vendor to provide training services, it is also important to consider the extent to which the training program will be customized or based on the company's needs, or whether the consultant is going to provide training services based on a generic framework that applies in many different organizations.